Good morning, students. Today we will study about disorders of excretory system. Urema, accumulation of urea in blood, which may lead to kidney failure, means excessive amount of urea present in blood and kidney fail to filter it, so it leads to kidney failure. That's why it is advised to take proper amount of water every day for proper functioning of kidney or healthy kidney. Next is renal calculi, a stone or insoluble mass of crystallized salt, oxalate, etc. formed within the kidney. Glomerulonephritis, that is inflammation of glomeruli. Here we can see this diagram, the presence of stone in ureter tube, and this is stone in the kidney. Here also we can see this, that is in the stage of kidney due to the urema. In the patient with urema, urea is removed by hemodialysis. What is hemodialysis? The process of purifying blood by an artificial kidney is known as hemodialysis. This machine, that is hemodialysis machine, is also known as artificial kidney because it works as kidney only. In dialyzing unit, artificial kidney contain a coiled cellophane tube surrounded by a dialysing fluid. It has some composition of plasma except the nitrogenous waste. Blood, that is dialysing fluid, contain the same composition of plasma except nitrogenous waste, because here it is done in order to remove the nitrogenous waste only. Blood drained from the convenient artery is pumped into dialysing unit after adding an anticoagulant, that is heparin. Anticoagulant means that prevent clotting of blood. The porous cellophane membrane of tube allow the passage of molecules based on concentration gradient. A nitrogenous waste are absent in dialysing fluid. These substances freely move out, thereby clearing the blood. The clear blood is pumped back to the body through a vein after adding antiheparin to it in order to restore its normal state. Here we can see the setup of hemodialysis. Now the next is kidney transplantation. It is the ultimate method in the correction of acute renal failure. A functioning kidney is taken from a donor. It is the better to receive kidney from a close relative to minimize the chance of rejection by the immune system of the host. So in order to have that kidney, receive kidney, that one thing must be taken, that it is must be taken by the very close near one's relative in order to minimize the chance of rejection by the immune system of the host. The most important thing is that blood group Rh factor first, that is seen. Next is excretion in plants. Compared to animals, plants do not have a well developed excretory system to throw out their nitrogenous waste material. This is because of the difference in their physiology. Therefore, plants use different for excretion. The gaseous waste material produced during respiration and photosynthesis diffuse out through stomata in the leaves and through lenticles in other part of the plant. Excess water evaporates mostly from stomata and also from the outer surface of stem, fruit, etc. throughout the day. This process of getting rid of excess amount of water is called transpiration. They shed the waste containing leaves. Other waste products are stored as resin, gums, especially in the older phloem. Here we can see this gum of the plant. Vacuoles used for storage of waste substances. Here is also gum present. Thanks for today.